From the Envision Innovation Kitchen at NICHE, it's time for the cooking competition that shows you how to make easy, delicious, fast, fresh, inexpensive, and nutritious side dishes. It's time for Side Dish Showdown. We teamed up WSU TECH culinary art students with nutrition science students to design and make their best side dish. Teams were required to use only the ingredients available to them from our chef's pantry, and total prep time of 30 minutes or less. Now let's meet the teams. Santa Fe pilaf, beans and greens, sweet pepper poppers, braised radish, Latin bean stew. Who will win? Let's find out on Side Dish Showdown. First, let's check in with Santa Fe pilaf. Welcome to the show.
Are you ready to get the Santa Fe pilaf started?
Yes, let's get started.
We're gonna start sweating our vegetables. We got squash, zucchini, onion, garlic, and some black beans. Cracked wheat over here.
Cracked wheat is high in potassium. Look at that.
Does that look good or what?
That looks great. What's Beans and Greens up to?
The best part about today is learning about new foods. Cannellini beans.
Wonderful to discover new ingredients like this and just cook with them.
Bulgur wheat is an excellent addition to a fiber-rich, low-fat diet.
And here we are, beans and greens.
Looks delicious. Let's check in on sweet pepper poppers.
Well, the recipe's not hard at all. It's a mini sweet pepper filled with a cream cheese filling that has spinach, green onions, cheddar cheese, and we're gonna top that all off with Parmesan.
When you're looking at your peppers, you have your antioxidants, and they're really rich in that. The more colors, the healthier your plate is.
All right, and here are sweet pepper poppers.
Beautiful.
Can't wait to make that one. Okay, braised radish, how's it going?
Prior to this project, I had no idea that radishes were so powerful.
Conceptualizing and then making this dish was really rewarding.
A lot of different flavors.
Balsamic reduction.
All coming together.
Yeah, I think my kids would eat this.
And here's our braised radishes.
Great work. Latin bean stew looks ready too.
Now what we want to do is sweat our onions. Next, I'll need my jalapenos. Finally, I'll be adding my beans.
Great source of protein, loaded with antioxidants.
Also delicious. Best thing about this dish is that it's quick, cheap, and tasty.
Nicely done. All right, we're ready to go to the scorecard to see who won Side Dish Showdown. We evaluated the teams based on nutrition, timeliness, presentation, taste, and ease. Santa Fe pilaf. Nice. Beans and greens. Way to go. Sweet pepper poppers. Excellent score. Okay, braised radish. That's what we're talking about. Latin bean stew. Great work. Okay, the winner is Santa Fe pilaf. Congratulations.
We want people to know that cooking is fun and it's easy.
You can eat healthy on a low budget.
For all the recipes featured on Side Dish Showdown, go to our website. Thanks for watching Side Dish Showdown.